In a tropical tree where the sun shines bright lives a little parrot, what a colorful sight. With feathers of green, blue, and a dash of gold, he sings to the morning stories untold. He mimics the laughter of children at play, echoes the whispers of the breeze every day. With a voice like a bell ringing clear and loud, he draws a big crowd from the village proud. El Moro Alegre sings from sunrise to dusk in the heart of the jungle where the sky's always hushed, bringing joy